In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to transform your idea of a pet care services website into reality using WordPress, even if you're not a tech guru. Pet care websites are online platforms that cater to the needs of pet owners searching for pet care services and specialists who provide them. In this tutorial, we'll use ExpertHive, a robust service marketplace WordPress theme, along with the free HivePress plugin, designed to power the marketplace aspects of your site. Let's begin. To get started, we'll install the ExpertHive theme. Navigate to the Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme page in your WordPress dashboard. Upload the theme's zip file, then install and activate it. After successfully activating the theme, the next step is to install the recommended plugins, including HivePress, a multipurpose plugin that will handle most of the website features. Simply follow the provided link to do it. Additionally, you need to install WooCommerce, the most popular e-commerce WordPress plugin, to add e-commerce features, such as charging users online, to your site. Next, it's necessary to create listing categories to help visitors navigate your site and find pet professionals easily. To do this, go to Listings, Categories. Here, you can create both main categories and subcategories to provide a well-organized structure. Start by giving each category a name. You can also add a brief description and, if needed, select a parent category to create a hierarchical structure. Also, you can choose a suitable category icon. Once you've entered the necessary information, click the Add Category button. Keep in mind that you can add as many categories as required by following the same steps. After adding categories, the next step is to create custom listing fields. HivePress allows you to create different fields and search filters since it has no hard-coded fields. Let's add a contact number field as an example. To do this, go to the Listings, Attributes section and click Add New. Enter a name for the field and enable front-end editing so users can enter their contact numbers while creating their listings. For this particular field, select the phone field type. In the search section, you can allow users to search and filter listings based on the value of the custom field, but it's not needed for this one. In the display section, you can specify where you want the field to be displayed. For example, choose Block, Primary, and Page, Primary, as placement areas. Then, define a display format for the field. You can use this one. When you're done, click the Publish button. Remember, you can create as many custom fields as you need by repeating these steps. For example, you can also create such fields as working hours, working days, payment method, pet types, and so on. With ExpertHive, you can create vendor profile fields, too. This way, visitors will benefit from this because they will be able to review different professionals and make informed decisions about who to work with. To add a vendor field, go to Vendors, Attributes, and click Add New. For instance, if you're building a pet care marketplace, you can add such fields as experience or pet preferences. The process is similar to listing fields. However, here, we'll choose the select field type to let vendors choose the appropriate experience period from the list of available options. Also, in the display section, we'll use this format. After clicking the Publish button, the Edit Options button will appear. Here, you need to provide options for vendors to choose from. Now, let's move on. If you want additional features on your site, you should check out HivePress extensions. They are available in the Dashboard, HivePress, Extensions section. For instance, for a pet care website, consider installing a geolocation extension, which is crucial for this type of website since it enables location-based search functionality, allowing users to search for services in their location. You can also install the Social Login add-on, which allows user registration through third-party platforms such as Facebook and Google without creating passwords, etc. Additionally, take a look at the Bookings extension, which enables a handy calendar feature and allows users to book appointments. This way, you can turn your site into an appointment booking platform. Also, keep in mind that all HivePress extensions are totally compatible with each other. Next, you should fine-tune the settings in the HivePress Settings section to ensure your pet care website operates smoothly. We recommend reviewing all the settings, but let's focus on a few key ones. In the Listings tab, you can control user listing submissions by turning the submission option on or off. This choice depends on whether you're going to run a single vendor website or a marketplace that allows many users to post listings. If you installed the geolocation extension, you must also set it up. We recommend selecting Mapbox as your map provider in the geolocation tab. Then, you'll need to get the Mapbox API key and insert it in the Integrations tab. We left an instruction on how to get this key in the video description. Then, geolocation will work properly. Now, you need to create an appealing homepage since it's the face of your website. Go to Dashboard, Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, for instance, Home, and start adding blocks. You can insert the listing search form block by selecting it from the available options when you click on the plus icon. In a similar way, you can add your categories to the home page using the Listing Categories block. To see all HivePress blocks, simply type HivePress in the search bar. After you've finished, click the Publish button. To set this newly created page as the home page, go to Dashboard Settings and choose it from the drop-down menu, then save the changes. Now that you've laid the basics, you can give your page a unique look and feel. First, let's set header images. To do this, visit your site from the dashboard and click on the Edit Page button. Here, click Featured Image and upload your images. Finally, hit Publish. Let's tweak a few more settings to make it even better. Return to your site and click Customize. Head over to Site Identity. Here, you can upload your website logo. You can also edit your site's title, tagline, copyright notice, and the tiny icon you see in your browser tabs. Don't forget to hit Publish. In the Colors section, you can choose the main and secondary colors that match your site style. The Menus section lets you customize your site's menus. You can add pages like Blog or About Us to your header or footer. Widgets allow you to add extra custom widgets to the available site area, but they're optional. In Homepage settings, you can select your homepage, but we've already set that up. Next, you can choose your favorite fonts. Lastly, the additional CSS section lets you add custom code snippets to tweak your site style. We have a collection of PHP and CSS snippets for HivePress on GitHub. The link is in the description. And that's a wrap for the customization. We also want to show you how to monetize your platform, and one of the most common methods is listing packages. You can charge users for adding new listings. Let's see how it works. Firstly, you need to have the Paid Listings extension installed. After that, go to WooCommerce Products, name your package, mark it as virtual, set a price, and publish it. Then go to Listings, Packages, Add New, and create two packages, the free one and the premium one, and the premium package must be linked to the WooCommerce product. Also, you should add package descriptions so that users can understand the difference between them, as well as the restrictions that correspond to those descriptions. Now, when user wants to add a new listing, they will be given a package choice. Let's check what we've made by adding a listing. As a website admin, you can do it in two ways, through the backend or directly from the frontend using the listing form. We'll do it via the frontend to see it through a site visitor's eyes. Visit your site and click Submit a Service button. Here, fill in all the fields and press Submit Listing. As you can see, the previously added listing packages are working perfectly now. Anyway, let's continue with our listing. If the moderation is enabled, every new listing undergoes a review process. You, as the admin, can either approve or reject these listings within the Dashboard, Listings section. After approval, they become visible on the website. Simple as that. We hope that by following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll take a significant leap toward establishing your own successful pet care website with WordPress. Don't forget that Expert Hive theme and HivePress plugin are good options for this purpose. Good luck with your project.